This terminal learning objective will contain the following enabling learning objective. Identify the I-MILES TVS controls and indicators. The SMRFI is the router allowing expanded radio frequency (RF) coverage. The RF device communicates data between components inside and outside of the vehicle. It mounts outside the vehicle near the CCM. The SMRFI connects to the VKC via a cable. The SMRFI has an IR diode to receive association signals from the CCM. The egress adapter routes cables from the outside of a vehicle to the inside of the vehicle. It is placed between the vehicle's antenna base and the antenna mount by bolts. The SAT is the laser transmitter device for small weapon type simulation. It is mounted on the barrel of the weapon, simulating the firing characteristics and range of either the M2 or M240, M249 weapons. It is powered by a 3.6-volt lithium battery. The individual weapon system, IWS SAT, is associated and disassociated by the CCM. It can be enabled or disabled by the VKC. The red visible alignment laser is turned on by the CCM or Universal Controller Device, UCD. The SAT components are an optical window with laser and visible laser, a flash sensor, a weapon clamp, LED and IR diode comms port. There is a low battery indicator and acknowledges receipt of IR message from CCM. A battery compartment, a battery cap, azimuth and elevation alignment knobs. The SAT LED indicators are as follows. A successful power on is indicated when the light flashes once. A failed bit at power on is indicated when the light stays on. A laser code fired during blank firing is indicated by one fast red flash. 3 flashes indicate the SAT is associated with the CCM. The CCM is the primary interface for installation, configuration, and operation of the system and sets the PAN parameter. The CCM has a battery life of approximately 100 hours without any external power supply. The CCM can operate up to 10 meters line of sight from the VKC. The CCM screen protector is a durable ballistic nylon cover with a Lexan window. The cover is affixed to the CCM by spray adhesive and hook and loop straps. The CCM controls and indicators are as follows. A speaker provides audio cues. The menu and menu items are displayed on the touch screen. Light sensor senses and adjusts the window backlight so that the display on the window can be seen under different lighting conditions. IR arrow indicates the proper orientation of the CCM for association and disassociation. Search button, non-functioning in the current configuration. Press the back button to go back one window. Press the home button to return to the main home window. The window screen is green. Press the menu button to access additional menu options. An external power connector. Press and hold the power, sleep, wake button for 1 second to power on or power off the CCM. Press the button quickly and release it to wake the CCM. An antenna communicates on the TVS PAN. IR diode emits IR messages to associate and disassociate the TVS components to the PAN. A cover plate for connectors protects the 3 connectors used for maintenance.